Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. Creative Toy, Home Bargain Raid, Blockz. This one was 99p, this one was $1.99, and then they had one other big set which I think was like a hold up, like a bank robbery sort of thing, that was $2.99. And I thought for 99p and $1.99 you got 58 pieces and 80 pieces. They seem pretty good, but let's have a look. We'll get the little guy open first. Compatible with standard building blocks, so I'm guessing they're saying Lego there without saying Lego. Are these from Germany maybe? I know they're made in China, but I think this is German if I had to guess. Yeah, German, Deutschland. They look like they are Lego compatible. Oh, we have some little stickers here. These look an awful lot. I paused for a second. These look an awful lot like lollies that you get in Morrison's. Is that meant to be like Lipton iced tea? That looks like it might be a Ribena sort of thing. Apple slices. Veggie here. Don't know. Oh, I guess you can eventually put it together. I don't have the bank scene. I think they had the truck. There was definitely a robbery scene going down. Perhaps it was one of these little ones. And they didn't have the whole supermarket. But that's cool that you could eventually put this whole little scene together. Where's our little person? I want to put the little person together first. Let me find all the bits to the person. We know that's a bit of the person. He's got little ears. Right, so we have a purse. We have a bit of a person. We have a hat or hair. This is a leg. This is a leg. This is a body. This is a body. This is a hand and a hand. They're dinky. These are actually pretty cool. 2 arm pieces. There's meant to be some little... It's not that. Let's break this up. We've got cartons. Cartons. Clearly display covers. Regulation. Shelf regulation bricks over there. Sort of shelfy stuff up there. Shelfy stuff. Carton. Bit of meat. Pink piece. Oh, probably food. Spray bottle. Sausage. Oh, is this it? Okay, that looks like that is that little piece. Oh, it might already be together because there's a little bit underneath. That is just that piece. Okay, let's put them together. Right, the legs don't seem to go in that far. I'll be concerned about them coming off. Oh, there we go. I just had to be a bit more vigorous with it. Oh, I see. Right, that's arms are meant to go in before this bit, so can I get these apart? I mean, is that open enough for me to get the hands in? Not quite. Yes, just about. Okay. We have our arms in. We have our legs back on. There isn't a right or wrong way up for these. Oh, that's actually really nice. That's really cool. There's quite a bit... Oh, twisted his hair off. There's quite a bit of movement in him. That's a really nice little blocks. Right, how long did that take? That took quite a few minutes just to do that bit. What do we need? One of those. And one of those. Well, it says 1 and 1, but then we've got 2. And 4 of these. And stickers. 6 and 7. Oh, there we go. I was like, there isn't a 6 and a 7. Right, these ones. 6 and 7. As per usual, I'm a little wonky with putting my stickers on. So that's that little piece. And we want this, one and a thin one. Oh, right, those ones. Okay, that piece, and 3 and 4 stickers wise, and flip it around. 3, 4, okay. Right, these, the stickers stick really well, so I've got to try and get them down first time. Close enough anyway. So that's that little piece. We're on to 6. We want one of those, 2 of those. That goes at the back. And we want 1 and 2. And then we want one of these. No, 2. 2 of these. And 1 of these. And then one of those. Oh, we have our little fridge section. Our little freezer section. That's cool. Now we need this, and this. Not to make one really long one. And this one. And we have that. Nothing should be in there. It is just that. Oh, we have a spare hand. Oh, lots of little stickers on lots of little things. So these are our little tinned goods. This is a piece of cheese. Well, I guess this goes in here. And our sausage. And our chicken. I mean, really, we don't want the sausage and the chicken touching, but there we go. And this little thing, which is number 11. Oh, it's salmon. Salmon in there as well. Tins. They wrap around things, 13 and 14. 5, 13 and 14. So we only need 3 tins. We've got a spare tin. Be a mystery tin. So what are these bits? I didn't miss them anywhere, did I? Oh, that was meant to go in there. Done the meat, done the tins, got the spray bottle, 3 things of milk. Oh, those 2 go together for cereal. That one is meant to go in here. I thought that was a little close. There we go. Right, juice, apple, grapefruit and tropical. Apple, grapefruit and tropical. Our cleaning bottle. So I'm guessing this is like almond milk stuff. And our cereal. And there we go. We have some spare bits. We have some displays. And we have our butcher behind our deli counter. And these are just on something. And these are spare bits. Right, that took a lot longer than expected. We'll do quite a bit of speeding up and a lot of flashing forward. Initial impressions, really good for 99p. This character is so cool. How cool does he look? I think he looks better. I mean, the Lego ones, you know, they're running off their brand and their theme and their style. This is a really cool little style too. I like that he's got ears. He's got textured hair. Everything's quite movable. Give him his little spray bottle so we can get cleaning. Oh, I've pulled his hand off. And I've broken my nail in the process. I've got hard nails. These bits, when they clip together, they don't want to unclip. You know what? That spray bottle can come with a hand now because I've got a spare one. Well, let's check out box number 2. So we had service counter set, and now we have a shopper set. I'll be honest, these are so good for the price that they are. I'm kind of thinking if they have them in the shops of getting the whole thing, especially seeing that, where are we? There's a whole little scene you can put together. I think that'd be really cool. So what do we have in here? Oh, they've given us 2 bags. We'll scooch that one over for a moment. And instructions. And stickers. So let's put our little people together first. You see we've got some produce in this bag as well. A little piece run away. 2 heads, one clearly a little lady and a little man. She's got eyelashes. And there we go. Our little lady and our little gentleman. Right, instructions time. Pop them there. Scooch this down here and get popping. And there we go. We can put our carrots and cabbage in there, and then our apples and our nanas in there. Give her a shopping bag, but I know I'm going to rip her hand off in the process. Oh, she can have her money in the shopping bag. A bit of money in the shopping bag. Oh, I think she could do with more than £5. We'll give her £10 to go shopping with. And he's a big spender. He's just letting his cash flop around a bit. That is our shopper set. Tell you what, put your notes in there, mate. Now, he can actually hold on to that, but I'm not going to clip his hand on there because I might not get it off again. There we go. He's running around the shop. She's got her shopping bag. It's too heavy to carry, all those notes. And they're always round the store, where Mr. Butcher will come and offer them a sausage. Well, these, you know what, they're actually pretty good. For 99p and 1.99, they're really good. They're a little fiddly to put together, quite fiddly. The rest goes together quite easy. The people are only fiddly because you have to get those arms in because they clip in. Apart from that, and the legs are a little stiff to clip on. But for $1.99, I am pleased. We've got a couple of spare bits there, so it depends how dark our shop's going to be as to whether there's hands available and whatever these could be. Something. Little espresso cups that way up. So yeah, I quite like these. I will think about getting the others if they're there. It would be cool to do a whole little scene. Like I say, the only criticism I have is that they're a little tricky to put together. But just the people, the rest goes together fine. Quite a bit in there for the price as well. So all of this would have been $2.98. That's pretty good. And I do really, really like the little people you get. They are really cool. I like the detail on the hair as well. I like that you get textured hair. They've all got a little different something going on, be it like a little darker skin colour, some eyelashes. I mean, those two have got similar hairdos. That must be the running trend. But yeah, and the fact that there's quite a bit of movement to them. You could have some fun with that. Lots of lovely little accessories. Little bits that work. You could even put some other stuff in there. I'm going to put the milk in there. I think that's worth it. Let me know what you think. Have you seen these? Have you given them a go? If you haven't, I do think they're worth it. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope this is giving you an idea of what to expect should you see these Blockz in Home Bargains for as little as 99p. And I don't remember whether the grounds were there, but this was £2.99. I think that's worth getting. They are compatible with Lego, but a lot cheaper. I will see if I can get the other bits, because it would be cool to kind of make the whole scene. Like if you like what you see, comment if you've got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more. Thank you all again so much. Take care, and see you in the next one.